Buses belong on the street. OMNIplus Uptime, the innovation for your Mercedes-Benz and Setra buses and coaches. Intelligently connecting vehicles, service, and your business. Avoid breakdowns and unnecessary downtime with OMNIplus Uptime, the connected service that thinks ahead. OMNIplus monitors the health of your vehicle. OMNIplus Uptime continuously monitors vehicle data. This information is automatically sent via the bus data center to an intelligent server system where it is analyzed, so the correct course of action can be recommended depending on urgency. The OMNIplus On portal lets you access the Uptime cockpit and gives you recommendations for keeping your Mercedes-Benz and Setra vehicles in top running order. This also allows you to carry out minor repairs by yourself, preventing wear and tear and unnecessary repair shop stops. OMNIplus Uptime makes time spent at repair shops more productive and efficient. If maintenance or repairs are needed, OMNIplus Uptime will give plenty of warning that a visit to the workshop is required. This valuable lead time helps you bundle all upcoming work into one appointment. OMNIplus Uptime automatically informs your preferred service point of your maintenance or repair requirements, so they can prepare ahead of your visit. This way, you get your bus back on the road as quickly as possible. While breakdowns can never be completely ruled out, OMNIplus Uptime helps avoid unplanned stops at service points. Before a breakdown occurs, you are immediately informed by the OMNIplus 24-hour service. 24-hour service works with you to find an immediate solution, including searching for the nearest service point. Up-to-the-minute information and real-time transparency enable optimum forward planning and vehicle availability. Visionary, connected, and intelligent. For your bus, for you, for your business. OMNIplus Uptime thinks ahead, keeps you on the road.